Welcome to Magic Laundry Services, where we deliver more than exceptional laundry services. We're making hospitality sparkle. Based in sunny Montebello, California, our journey started in 2004, growing into a 7-acre, 4-mega plant operation, handling over 150 million pounds of housekeeping linens alone a year.
Originally, when we started the company, it was 3 of us, and we were doing everything from billing to sorting to washing to picking up to dropping off, where we started our humble roots. We've been in business for 20 years now.
We provide laundry service for hotels that want to outsource their services.
We send a truck, we pick up all your dirty linen. We weigh it all, then we sort it all, we wash it all, we fold it all. If it's toweling or whatever, we iron it and press it, put them in stacks, put them in carts, label how many pieces there are per cart, generate another paper that'll go with it to say what's in what cart, how much of every piece, and then we deliver it back to you within 24 hours.
We're experts in COG linen processing for all kinds of hotels. We also provide uniform cleaning services, food and beverage rental linens, you name it, we've got it for your hotel.
So the services we provide is mainly for the hotels. It's all COG accounts, so the customer owns the goods. We just provide the service. We're responsible of handling whatever's in our possession and giving it back with great quality to our customers.
Why do we do it? Because we understand high-quality linen is the secret ingredient to making your hotel shine.
Our quality speaks for itself, providing the best quality available to them for their hospitality linens, so they can go out and provide it to their guests, where guests can go out and sleep on plush towels and quality pressed crisp linens. And the most important thing is it's on a daily basis. We operate 365 days a year. There's no closing here. So our hotels can trust on us on a day-to-day consistent basis. We're consistently putting out that quality every single day with absolutely no downtime.
With over 800 passionate employees, we deliver an unrivaled customer experience, one fresh sheet at a time. We're the trusted supplier for respected hotel brands like Marriott, Hyatt, Sheraton, and Hilton, and most major gaming casinos. We're all about quality, service, and being the go-to choice for Southern California's hospitality heroes. If you want your hospitality linen to tell a tale of excellence, look no further than Magic Laundry Services, where every wash reinforces your commitment to success.